Good morning, student of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Maths book, Student Workbook Volume 1. We are doing S4 of block 6 on page number 30. Today's date is 18th of August 2020. S4 is solving word problems. We have some story sums here and we have to solve these. So students, let's start. Question 1 is Sazia bought 8 boxes of chocolates. How many boxes? 8 boxes of chocolates. Each box has 10 chocolates. That means total boxes we have 8 and in one box we have 10 chocolate. In every box we have 10 chocolates. Reena bought 10 boxes. Reena bought 10 boxes of chocolates with 8 chocolates in each box. She has 10 boxes and in each box she has 8 chocolates. Find the number of chocolates each of them has. That means how many chocolates they have in all. Do they have the same number of chocolates? Sazia or Reena have same number of chocolates? Yes, we have to find out yes or no. They have same number of chocolates or not. So let's find out. First of all, total number of chocolates, how we will found? Total number of chocolates, how we will found? So Sazia, how many chocolates she has? Total number of chocolates is equal to boxes, number of boxes multiply by number of chocolates in one box. So number of boxes we have 8 and number of chocolates 10. So Sazia has Sazia has chocolates. She has 8 boxes and number of chocolates in each box 10. 8 multiplied by 10, 80 chocolates Sazia have total. Reena has chocolates. She has 10 boxes and 8 chocolates in each. 10 multiplied by 8, 80 chocolates. Now both have 80 chocolates. Sazia has 80 chocolates. Reena also has 80 chocolates. Both have same number of chocolates. Both have 80 chocolates. That means yes, same number of chocolates they both have. Now come on question number 2. Kajal wants to plant means grow करना चाह रही है. She want to plant 60 flowers in her garden in rows and columns like this. These are rows and these columns. Okay, such that each row has an equal number of plants. Okay, in one row equal. Suppose in first row she is planting 5 plants, 5 flowers. Then in second row also she will plant 5 flowers. In third row she will plant 5 flowers. That means in all rows she want to plant equal flowers. Okay. What are the different ways she can plant these flowers? How many types of plants she can plant of flowers? So let's see. For this we have to know factor pairs. That means we have to find out in this question factor pairs. So let's see factor pairs. Okay. So solution: Kajal wants two plants. How many flowers? 60 flowers. Okay. Now we have to find out different ways she can plant these flowers. That means factor pairs we have to find out. Thus factor pairs of 60. So now one row, one plant of 60 row, one plant of 60 rows, यानी हर एक रो में वन प्लांट. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Like this one plant of 60 rows. हर एक रो में वन प्लांट होगा और हाउ मेनी रोज 60. 1 multiplied by 60. These are factor pairs. Now next two plants of 20 rows. We are writing factor pairs. One plant of 60 rows, two plants of 30 rows. That means in each row we will grow two plants. Okay. 3 plants of 20 rows. That means 3 multiplied by 20. 4 plants of 15 rows. In every row we will grow 4 plants. 5 plants of 12 rows. We can write 5 multiplied by 12. These are factor pairs of 60. 6 plants of 10 rows. 10 plants of 6 rows. 12 plants of 5 rows, because 12 5 ja 60. 15 plants of 4 rows. 15 4 ja 60. 20 plants of 3 rows. 30 plants of 2 rows and 60 plants of 1 row. That means all plants will grow in 1 row like this. Okay, sorry, like this in 60 plants. This type of row and this type will called column. So these are factor pairs of 60. Now what are the different ways she can plant these flowers? These are the different ways to she plant flowers. Now question number 3. Write a word problem on finding if the factor of 35. We have to find out the write the first of all story sum. There are 35 flowers to be arranged on the wall in rows. How many flowers? 35. And columns. What are the different possible combinations so that each rows has an equal number of flowers? Same this question we have to do in this question. Factor pairs of 35 we have to write in this question. So I am going to writing directly, not this type of writing, because we don't have enough space. So we are writing only factor pairs. These are factor pairs. That means in table of 1 35 come. Okay, in table of 35 also 35 come. So factor pair 1 multiplied by 35 In table of 7 also come 35. 7 5 ja 35. In table of 5 also come 35. 5 7 ja 35. So both are factor pairs. In both tables 35 come. 5 multiplied by 7. In table of 5 also come 35 and in table of 7 come. So both are factor pair of 35. In table of 35 and in table of 1 35 come. So both are factor pairs. This one and this one. Factor pairs means both numbers should come in both tables. The given number should come. This number should come in both tables. These are called factor pairs. Okay students, this was our S4 of block 6. Additional practice we will do in our next class students. Till then, bye bye.